How to move furniture on legs with Airsled hoverblades. This video is a part of Airsled Hoverblade's video series and will demonstrate how to move a credenza on tall, thin legs weighing 360 pounds. It will also explain why Airsled's 36-inch adjustable spacers and XL 36-inch long hoses were required. This 60-pound wooden cabinet with 6-inch tall legs was loaded with 300 pounds of sandbags to simulate moving a 360-pound credenza with Airsled hoverblades. Because of the tall legs, the load's base is too high to be lifted by the Airsled hoverblade's air beams. Airsled offers an adjustable spacer kit for gaps ranging from 4 to 7 inches. Determine the proper notch setting to get the spacer as tight as possible to the load's base. Tightly squeezing the long rails will help keep components together during placement. Slide the air beams and spacers under the load. The air beams were placed at the outer edges for optimal stability. Airsled's XL 36-inch long hoses were required due to the load's width. Airsled hoverblades and the adjustable spacers make moving this load incredibly easy and safe. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.